Well, good morning, everybody. These are sand cranes. There's a mama and a daddy and two babies. The two babies were actually smaller. Now, see, every time I move up, they're moving up. They're a little skittish, you know. Yeah, this is a Saturday morning. It's about 9 a.m. I'm just going for a ride in my scooter. The babies are just about as big as the adults now. And there they are. There's a deer in there too. You see him? I want to move real slow. Real slow. Oh, look how cute. You see the deer? He got spooked. There's two young deers there. It looks like the mother deer and a baby deer. You can't get any closer. But yeah, that's the wildlife I got to see this morning on a Saturday.